Hello everyone, welcome to another Thailand travel video. Today we're gonna be visiting Wat Pho, as known as Reclining Buddha Temple here in Bangkok. It is one of the most visited places in Thailand and is claimed to be one of the must-see places as well. But is it really though? So join us to find out what is all about the Wat Pho and is it really worth visiting. Today is April 12, which is the last day before the Songkran festival. If you haven't heard anything about Songkran festival, check out the Thailand playlist on my channel and see how fun Songkran festival is and why you should be here during the festival. We get here from Central Wall Shopping Mall with a tuk-tuk and it took us about 45 minutes to get here. It was my first tuk-tuk ride and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous because there's not much safety involved and traffic flows so tight like motorcycles and other vehicles passing by about a foot or two away from you. It is one of the things that you must do while visiting Bangkok, and they're so convenient to go anywhere in the city. Just make sure to ask about their rate and don't forget to negotiate a little about their fare. The entrance fee will be 300 baht, which is $8.50 US starting January 1st, 2024. And even it seems like a tourist attraction, it is a temple, so be mindful of your attire and your surroundings while you're visiting. Since it's almost Songkran, you can feel the festival atmosphere already started here in the temples as well. There are more people than usual, a lot of food and souvenir stands, and they also have some folkloric dancing shows in the temple. Here in this corner, monks doing the blessing to the people passing by, right in front of the main Reclining Buddha Temple. There are different buildings with different rooms and praying places besides the big reclining Buddha statue. So you should definitely walk around and check out the other buildings and rooms because they all have unique features and a lot of art pieces. This room is like Thai massage museum. There are a lot of interesting information about how and when Thai massage started and what is it based on. It is fascinating to see all that painting and carving art everywhere you look. And remember, this temple completed in the 16th century. Here is the main building with the reclining Buddha statue. It is really massive. I'm having a hard time fitting the whole statue in the frame even I'm using the wide-angle GoPro camera. So if you ever wondered, it is 15 meters high and 46 meters long, which is 49 feet high and 160 feet long in American. Besides the beauty of the statue, the whole room walls and ceilings decorated with beautiful paintings and carvings. On the bottom of the feet, there are 108 loksans, which means signs of the different levels of the Buddhist cosmology. So if you wonder why is the Buddha is in this reclining position, here it is what I found after a little research. It is actually a representation of the Buddha right before he passed into the afterlife, lying on his side with a calm and content position. I just want to mention that this is our only second day of the 18 days of Thailand trip that includes Songkran celebrations in Bangkok, visiting Phuket, Similan Islands, Khao Lak area, PhiPhi Islands, Ao Nang and Railay Beach. So if you're interested in visiting any of these places or just curious about them, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the Thailand playlist. I think 2 hours will be enough to check out this beautiful temple. And as a result, it is definitely worth visiting. And yes, if you're visiting Bangkok, you should definitely come see this beautiful temple. So now we're gonna take a short walk to the pier by the Chao Phraya River, and after a quick boat ride, we'll be visiting another famous temple called Wat Pho. I will have that video added in the Thailand playlist as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe for more travel videos. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.